Type S offers a wide range of dash cameras for any driving condition. For an all-around view, Type S offers an optional add-on rear camera. To install, first clean the area of the rear window where the camera will be installed. So when it comes time to mount your reverse camera in the car, Type S has you covered on multiple ways to install it. It comes installed with this bracket that you can use with the supplied hardware, or you can use our 3M double-sided tape. When it comes to the orientation of your backup camera, you can mount it right side up or upside down, because you can flip the image in your dash camera. Also included in the backup camera's wiring harness is an optional red wire to be installed to your reverse lights. So when you put the car in reverse, your backup camera will come up and assist you. All right, so we're here at the back of the car and we have our reverse camera mounted and ready to go, but we're gonna start routing the wiring. And what we did first off right here is there's this weather stripping right here for the window, and we tucked the wiring right behind there. But now we're gonna work our way back into the car, and we're gonna go in between the crevices of the paneling that's inside the interior. That makes it really easy for us to hide this wiring and get a clean finish. If there's any areas where you find a little bit of slack, what we like to do here is just use a zip tie. It cleans it up and makes it look really nice. So now that we're inside the car, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep following our lines of our panels here and tuck the cable along that. Now as we get to the doors, what you're gonna wanna do is use the weather stripping here. So now when we get to one of the pillars again, we're gonna resort back to what we were doing in the back and just follow the panel lines and go behind them. So now that we got our wiring harness around the A pillar, we're gonna go ahead and take this time to get our excess slack of the harness and tuck it into the headliner, because there's usually a good amount of room up there. Check out typesauto.com for more information on what dash cam is best for your ride.